Assalamualaikum and good morning and welcome back to my channel, MannOnBoard. It's a Saturday morning. Decided to launch. Made a surprise appearance. Fandi didn't know I was coming, so he was caught by surprise. So I have Master Tabb already on the water. A couple of kayakers also on the water. Lots of kayakers this morning. So I got to watch myself out at sea so that I don't run into them. On his native, Mantare. Mantare, okay? So we have Master Firas. Not Firas, Firoz. Firas is not here today. So they are still waiting for a couple of newbies, okay? First timers. They'll be on the sea stream. They are borrowing one of my kayak, the sea stream, and also Master Firas kayak. So still waiting for them to reach here. I'm trying to poison one of the kayakers, Imran, to probably get one sea stream. Yeah. Okay, so we're waiting for them. So we're waiting, we're setting up. Once I'm ready, I'm gonna launch first. Touch really on the water. So wish us luck for today. Alright, we're at the first spot, just off Pasir Ris. Master Tabb is behind me. And he's already dropped his line. Okay, Master Tabb over there. My preference would always be on the sea stream, but letting a friend try it out. Hopefully he gets poisoned by it and will get his own sea stream. So I'm gonna try around this area. Inshallah, let's see if we can get anything around here. Some nibbles, come on. Getting some nibbles. Nibble. Yeah, something. Small fish. Oh. Tabb, kerapu. Ah! Terlepas.
Kuat angin, ngayang siapin batu.
Aku lambat sangat. It was too slow. The fish already on top of the water. Then the thing came off the hook. Alright, finally we are joined by Fandi, and we have Imran there on my fishing kayak. And over there we have Zahren, also on the sea stream, borrowing from Master Firas. And we have Haime on the Meko over there. Finally joining us. Yup. Got a tiger there. Something on my fish, my battery keeps turning off. No good. Didn't charge my battery for the fish finder. My battery keeps turning off. Yes, fish on. I'm just talking and got a small grouper. Yep. Well, not too bad. It worked. So he missed the bait. Got on the other hook. That's my cheat code. Hey, on the assist hook. Yep. So he missed the bait, but he got on the other hook. Yep. Works. We have Master Imran. Okay. On my sea stream. I hope he's had an enjoyable time on my kayak. Yes. How do you find the kayak, Mr. Imran?
Very nice.
Do you like the kayak?
Yeah, you poisoned me already, yeah?
Are you gonna get one?
Inshallah.
Yeah. So we managed to convince him. Probably get a sea stream. So it worked. Yeah. So he's on my sea stream. letting him have a feel of fishing on a kayak, and he's loving it. Okay, so we're gonna head towards that's Zahren. Zahren, right? Yeah. Okay, we're going ahead, going towards Zahren and see how we feel. Getting close to another guy yet to be poisoned. Master Zahren.
No.
Yeah, that's what he say now. You're gonna see at the end of the year, he'll probably get one. Yeah, how do you like the sea stream, Mr. Zahren? Very steady.
Very steady.
Easy to paddle.
Easy to pedal.
So you like it?
I like it. Tomorrow buy, okay?
Inshallah. So we try to keep poisoning. Put more poison into Mr. Zahren so that he can get the sea stream. So gonna head back very soon. 15 more minutes and I call it a day. So I'm gonna do going towards the last spot and drop my line and see if we can get anything down there later. Here we have Master Haime on his Riot Mako 12. We call everyone masters on the kayak. So he's on the Riot Mako. How you like it so far?
So far
So far so
so good.
good.
So far, okay, very good, very nice. Thing to do actually, very relaxing.
Okay, hold on, I have to get closer to him. Drifting away. Any fish so far?
Today a bit slow, so far no.
Okay, so far no fish, never mind. There's always another day. Okay, the important thing is never give up. Okay, keep on trying, never give up.
Thanks, man.
So so the most importantly is you are enjoying the activity.
Yes,
Okay,
thanks to you.
all right. So we're trying to get more of our mountain biking friends poisoned into this activity. So we've got a couple already.
My wife says you are very influence to me.
Imran's wife says I'm a bad influence to Imran. Oh my. Okay, so I'm gonna leave them to continue fishing. I'm gonna head back towards the shore and I call it a day soon. Okay. So it seems everyone is happy with the activity and I hope more of my friends can join us. Right. Woohoo! Fish on! Hey! Another kerapu hybrid. Hybrid. Hey, oh aku nenek kat situ. Hybrid, small one. Up. Yep, another grouper. Yeah, gonna take this guy. I'm gonna let him go. Okay, that's a hybrid grouper. Alright, alhamdulillah. Back home, let's see Master Tabb's fish. Caught it on jig. Okay, he was jigging and caught a nice size golden snapper. See, he's jigging again. Oh yes, caught on video. Yes. It's okay. Still a fish. It's still a fish. So you see, jigging works. You see, Master Tabb, let's see the fish, the helicopter fish. Okay, never mind. Okay, can we see the first fish you caught on the jig earlier? Good size, good size. Show on video. On jig, same thing. He was jigging and caught this golden snapper, nice size. Okay, so you can see just now he was jigging again and caught the helicopter fish. Let's see the big one. This is the Bigfish 108, the first and only one at the moment in Singapore. The proud owner of the Bigfish 108, Mr. Xiang. How's everything, brother? Where's the rest of the uncle? Is he getting ready? Okay, that's the big fish. Look at that, that's huge. Oh my god, that's a tank. It looks so stable, man. Wow. Look at that. He's a big size man, huh? Mr. Xiang is a big size man, so he needs a big size kayak. Look at that. Are you happy with your buy, Mr. Xiang?
Awesome.
Awesome, good. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you have a good day today.
We must have a big size.
Yeah, Mr. Xiang is a big size person and he finds that this thing is ready. Okay, it's a challenge to bring it down. Heavy, but it's very stable. Okay, anyway, good luck, brother. Alright, take care and enjoy the day. Small one. Okay, all the best. Enjoy your day. The day it's already, let's see, what time is it? It's already 2:30. Calling it a day. Not very good catch. Small ones. Good to be back out again. We must get up. Okay, a lot of people today going out on their kayaks to fish. We have a strong gust of wind every now and then. Sun is out, no rain, so it's been a good day fishing. Well, anyway, please do like, share, subscribe to my channel MannOnBoard and turn on the notification for more videos. Thank you guys.